Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to loan from Citibank step by step. First, assess your financial needs and the exact amount you require. Next, review your credit score and overall financial health to ensure you meet eligibility criteria. Citibank offers a range of loan products, including personal loans, home loans, and auto loans, each with distinct features. Understanding these options will help you choose the best fit for your situation. Once you've identified your loan type, the next step is the application. You'll need to gather essential documents, including a valid government-issued ID, proof of income like pay stubs or tax returns, and recent bank statements. You can apply conveniently online through Citibank's website or visit a local branch for personalized assistance. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays in processing your application. After submitting your application, Citibank will begin its review process, which includes a thorough credit assessment. This evaluation helps determine your creditworthiness and the terms of your potential loan. If approved, you will receive a conditional offer detailing the loan amount, interest rate, repayment schedule, and any associated fees. It is crucial to read and understand all terms and conditions before accepting the offer. Once you accept the loan offer, the funds will typically be disbursed directly into your designated bank account within a few business days. It is essential to understand your repayment schedule, including the exact monthly payment amount and the due date. Setting up automatic payments from your checking or savings account is highly recommended to ensure timely repayments and avoid any potential late fees or penalties. This helps maintain a good credit history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.